Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of Pass and Move, special your number one podcast in the land. Local very without fear or favor. This is the number one podcast in the land, in the whole entire land of Zimbabwe, and obviously khonapha ku YouTube. You know, Pass and Move proudly brought to you by Deb 3 Events, Deb 3 Media, and also Deb 3 Studios. And not forgetting our partners, Sports Zone. Sports Zone also helped that you said with the setup. As you can see, we've got. I'm a professional soccer balls. These are abantu bahlala besithi ngama-toy agents. These are proper professional soccer balls. Amanye ama-team awala vele. Amanye ama-team awala. These are professional soccer balls.
I saw China.
Not China, no. Proper. Le China vele proper time.
I think some China shop I see.
These are professional soccer balls. Courtesy of Sports Zone. Sports Zone deals with every other sports merchandise. You can get yourself any regalia khona Sports Zone. Umenzi always does justice. Nxa ungakwazi Sports Zone uyakufakela lapha ama details. Mbona naphuma khona ku screen uyabuka check it. Not forgetting also partners from day one, Okuhle Designs, for all anything in terms of it design. Just contact Okuhle Designs khona. You'll get yourself anything. Okuhle Designs, they're the best in that field. Then today we've got also is a Royal Shine Car Wash located at number 9 4th Street in Masosha. They've got a special Masutu abes motor. I call this a chick. Motor. But this one is sitting in drive. But anyone can also bring their car. If you've got an in-drive, they say it's in-drive cars. Special offer is valid for February only. You pay $20 and get six washes plus one free body polish. So I think lana bamakhombi ngole kara butozi lawo yakwanza ukwanjisa khona bana eRoyal Shine Car Wash bekubonele bakuthivetela imoto yakho
nge-20 kuphela
nge-20 six amalokuzeni ama washes plus one free body polish. Body polish bayisebenza imoto kadla yacha
ile polish yayo. Lokho ukwenza icazimule.
So Royal Shine Car Wash iyakwenzela khona kana. Then last week Jens
Ukuhle yokuthanda.
Awuna mntu kancane ukudla nje. Last week Seasons Cafe. Wow.
Amayinya mdala.
They treated us soft. So not forgetting Seasons Cafe, please visit Seasons Cafe. That one I definitely vote without fear of favor. Uyadla khona
uzisikhala mhla ka 14 February setuzana bakhambe khona ba. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ophikisayo ukuthi Seasons Cafe yabulala ngokudla akenza sibise futhi setesta athina uyaqodisha setesta okwamanje kobulawayo Seasons Cafe is the best. Ophikisayo kasibize siyabuya sizofaka so test
compare. But Seasons Cafe is the best.
It's the best so far. So far.
Seasons Cafe.
Ophikisayo olakho ukudla. Kasibize.
Please visit Seasons Cafe for all your delicious menus. Laphana bakubulala. Ikheke lela lesalichaya uthoyi chocolate
what amdala.
Machisa vela kuhle. Then guys, as always, you know, team namhlanje machisa. So it's that time of the year.
Yeah.
So kuyinto kwakhona. So I will miss umjita. For any developments sizabatshela ababukeli ukuthi if everything is processed clean ukuthi uhamba njani because usadlala umjita usalipusha usagijima. So he's not with us today. Usaprocessa la into zonke ziyaprocesswa ama developments wajeta. But anyway, mkhokheli how far?
I'm Nangisha.
Hey,
everything is okay.
Sujus.
I'm Namnandi mdala. Mnandi mdala loba kuyi-month end so twice rent but hayi
awadizi rent
hayi rent mdala enzima kumele uqale la ngone uyaxolisa kumastand kumnandi ukuxolisa mdala
akhona vele isituation yokuthi sakhuluma ngezimali ahle siqaliseni ngale ehle yangigcwalisela le uMagwizi usechivayo weekend uthe akahambe ekhera ngale ikara for umsebenzi omnando owenza njengoba ukhala ngerent encela one day uzesothiwa abuzokhera mdobi ibona njani imove ka Chiva is everywhere lapho ngani appreciate eBoreni ukhona yonke indawo uthe uMagwizi so far ngani isipano bachasha izifa bambile ku Afcon azange kube le ama squabbles izifa ngani ama offices yonke into nje ezifa so far according to yena uChiva uthi into ngani zihamba simnatho so uMagwizi kambe ekhera
imoto
ebona uVictor la ekhaya imoto edura
yeah that's like we said last week isikhuluma nge1 year lokuzeneni yesifa one of the improvements ezenziwe nguMagwizi sikhona ukuthi khona uzamile ukuthi ama mistakes of the past engabonakali la nxa ukuthi khona abaphiwa imali kumbe abaphiwa ngemali we say thumbs up for the good administration ukuthi ukwanisile ukufihla ubunqunu babo sabangabonakali ebantwini nxa ukuthi baphiwa imali siyabonga and because nxa sikhangele kade singonanzelela most of the legends sebengane ngabantu abahamba becela which is very bad abantu abadlala ibhola labana they have to be catered for because i-career ngihlala sithi i-career yabo is just for 10 years
ayincane
nxa ngabona usiba lenhlanhlo 20 nje abo Ronaldo it's lucky so imali ayiphume ngesikhathi khona and labo nxa beyamukela imali let them invest kwenze ukuthi kona kusasa bengahambi sebeyangisa abanye babo ngokuhamba sebencenga sebecela but like we said the Uchivayo is a fan and is entitled to do whatever he want with his money so if he appreciates ngendlela appreciate ngayo ukubonga because into enhle ifuthi zibuko and uyiqhakaze singameli ukuthi umuntu simthola ama flowers sefile so we say thank you to say Chiva Tomon Chiva weekend Chiva for appreciating and acknowledging something which is good which uMagwizi akwenzile.
Speaking about that ngakafika uMasudu ukhuluma into eyinye engibonile last week Sunday Chitsamba also la twayithatha ikara plus 20 gram
is appreciating lokho akubona kufanele to appreciate ukuthi sometimes most people they don't understand why God bless people nxa uNkulunkulu ekubusisa ukuthi ube isplace isibusiso kwabanye abantu so nxa uNkulunkulu emphila imali ula imali yamuntu imali leyi ngingedwa isiningi kakhulu so I can share with other people so I appreciate our talent because those people I think Sunday is ngaphamanisi is the first coach uthathi Warriors to Afcon kumbe ngumwaro uToma Mhlawuri Musande so he was never recognized for that and if you but lezigweredi futhi ezikuzifa akazange sizothoba isizifo yabhano so nxa sembonga now kuyancomeka kakhulu kanti at least he shows that ikona patriotic he loves his country even though ilokuzenini association ayizange ibe lendaba layo yamchisa ezikweredini ngabe lendaba yabhadala abatsha laba ababophisayo abangabophisiya yabachiya benjalo so I say thanks to Uchivayo for that as well.
Suitman Umasudu belanje
niyamuzwa ukuthi wose lapha hey mina like amfuna kuba opposite but hey othitsamba mntana abantu abalenyuko mntana
akasela
lutho koka mntana la kodwa athi la uhlala kwezinda mntana yothi imota mntana nje imota uthi Sivayo uthi simazi ngemoto mntana bona lathi kunje singakhuluma kuhle mntana maybe ngasi emakara mntana mntana uSivayo simazi ngezimoto mntana but othitsamba mntana abantu maybe bangani bangcwe ngoba amnika imoto engalalutho mntana imoto ifuna ukumaintain mntana
umnikele 20,000
le 20 hayi 20,000 nje yakula lutho ingahamba iphela ngubamba umlomo kunapho ungacompare Uchivayo labo uthiwa ngoLugarich labana abasibophisayo laba nguphi yabe nemali engcono oluka balemali kodwa bazange bebophisa izifo but uchi yena lo Chitsamba ule mali la kazange ebophise lawana bayibophisa so which means yena wayithanda ilizwe lakhe azange sibe lihlazo enxa yakhe ya hayi lapha phela sakhulumela ngoChivayo nje ukuthi mntana Chivayo vele ngizothiwa ubuyile kuwe mntana empilweni imota mntana vele ungakhuluma ngoChivayo
ukukhuluma
ngemota mntana kunje so Peter mdala nje akwazi so Peter mdala babe izimoto eziblind mdala
unika lokho phela
unika izimoto mdala nje ukuthi washo ukhulume ngolokho uzindla bamnika imoto mdala so ngiyacabanga ama prices emoto lana mdala sesiqalisa isizini mdala ukuthi kube kuchivayo phela la estand okuyilokho izini kwakhe mbodi ngolaka ngoyesoka yabo bona ngama ground mdala at least sibe lama ground lama drainage what mdala phela I price emoto liyana mdala yakwenzela irufaro I-drainage system mdala enye price yemoto egaywe usande
ekamagwizi 250,000
iyasenzela iPF so far mdala kubethwa izimoto leza ngendlela ezenzwa ngayo mdala kubethwa ngabantu abalela vesoka mdala kuba ama drainage mdala kungani kungcono asiyale ukuthi
for the first time in my life ngicela ukuthi ngiqale ngidifend uchivayo for the first time in my life amfuni imoto kodwa hayi
but engathiwa kuwenza
obvious ekuyikhera ngiyakhera but ivari inzalikhuluma
ivari lefana
iqiniso liqiniso yabona umuntu nxa esenza into uyenza into ayithandayo into ekhulula inhliziyo yakhe now ukuthi uThambando uSakunda uona weSakunda manje uTagure wanted to renovate it ukuze nini irufaro sometime by tour and everything it was going to be the better stadium than another stadium kwehlula because abasosazwana nanga lama city fathers so umnikazi we stadium ukuze evume ukuthi khona uShivayo invest ku stadium sakhe kuyasofuze bahlala phansi bavumelana ama certain terminologies ukuthi because is a businessman akasoze efake imali yakhe endaweni ezakhipha imali yena engatholi lutho but nxa ekunika as a gift there's no need ukuthi khona efake lapho kuzaba le return khona yikho enika umuntu imoto ku business lapha neBoreni is all about business stadium sifuze sinike imali ebesifuna ama shares sifuna ipercentage so sebesehlulana labanikazi bele kuze ngawe sithi ngawe uyakwanisa ucela iland eyakhe sakhe stadium maybe that was going to be easy but abantu esingabasola ngokuyakhe stadium is the government igovernment ila stadium national sports stadium la kade silokho esimile igovernment ile say over local authority ukuthi yakwanisa uba declare ukuthi khona lungisani stadium irufaro leya imali nansi sisiallocate so is allocate maybe 20-30% i70% dingani kuma revenues etwathatha so I think I fault especially to my grounds is entirely from government than kulokuze kuma individuals then lezifa layo as a motherboard ifuze at least ngathi khona iya advocate ukuthi ithole iland yokuyakha stadium esibize sayo national sports stadium asosezifa ngese government but izifa ifuze la ithole iland yakhe sayo stadium as an association iyecela imali ku FIFA I think bangabanika imali ezinjalo ku FIFA esingasoza ukuthi imali ivele kuchiva imali ivele kulokuzenini ku Scott so I think there's a need ukuthi ama leaders ethu bebe le infrastructural development in mindset ekhanda not ukuthi sikhangele ukukhongozela sikhangele ukucela mshokotsho uShivayo labantu bakafuna ukubachaza ule muli yakhe efuna ukuyichaza ulamuntu because kunje sengawucela idola wena udawulalo uache ucela idola umniki ngoba unika umuntu omthandayo ayisiki ukuthi yabungela so la uShivayo unika umuntu amthandayo into ayithandayo ngesikhathi asifuna ngaso ngemali yakhe
I am defending I'm defending so but you happy my Sutman
mina
kumbe lokhe
mina in terms of amfuna ukuthi mvalelo ochitsamba wathi hayi kuye kuchitsamba kuyabe kusharp la thina ngapha kusabe sekukhangela ngenye indlela ukuthi vele ngizothiwa Chivayo so kuyimoto mdala
akulenye kulandela
so kuyimoto mdala
bebona uVictor imikarela kamagwizi 250,000 then le 250 lana isithi uzayinika abafana
exactly uchasisile last time sasithi khona iproblem kaChivayo ngokuthi yathembisa system imali engakuthembisa imoto iyaphuma but imali besithi ayiphumi but this time uthe khona imali wayimisa because wezwa ama allocation for that game ukuthi khona inganto ekhoniza kuya ku
iku-FIFA vele
iku-FIFA for investigation so esaba ukuthi khona nxa engayikhambisa imali kuyakhanya nganto khona izimali zakhona zona zokuthengisa igame.
Yes, yeah.
So usamele ama findings aphume, but wathi imali nakasoze igcine izagcinwa ngupresident. Whatever the outcome, imali izafuze benefit association. So meaning to say imali ngaphuma ukuthi kwathengiswa igame ayisayi kubafana singe association. But ngaphuma ukuthi igame ayithengiswanga sebeshiya abafana.
Imoto kaMagwiza uthe malini?
250,000.
Yathenga ibhasi national team
Amabhasi. Ale elindele na 75. Elinda imali nje. Ibhasi.
Ali angikwazi wethinga imali.
Something like 75,000 K.
Before iduty maybe ingafika ku75 then uduty.
Manje ngaba 75K then
national team singayiba lebhasi.
Sike uhamba weScotland sibili oshivayo la ubethenga ibhasi national team asibona ukuthi ngabe Forest. Ngoba uhamba ngekubhasi eScotland leyana Magwiza Magwiza 250 mtala kube okuyiphazili kwakho mtala ngawubalance mtala.
Yaku but into le ibhasi la iqhakathekile. Then kule enye issue yenzake leyo Jens. Yakhumula pha besikhuluma ukuthi ama-Mighty Warriors kwangabi le team straight ukushuthi episode leyana bahle babiza isquad. So ama-Mighty Warriors for ilokhuzeni isquad sesikhona.
Yeah, babizwa I think 30 of them they were pure 2 weeks to train before they go to South Africa.
Yes. So ilokhuzeni lana ilokhuzeni eKhosafa kasamhla ka18 I think basebesharp.
Yeah, but yeah,
ngoba lapha sasikhala ukuthi uFebruary siseduze ngoba le squad esibiziwe. But I think bahle babiza bahambe camp bese trima kulokhuzeni.
Yeah, ukuba sharp babengabi sharp ke this match because considering ukuthi kona baqina ukudlala ngoNovember last year. So bazobizwa kade sibaphiwa 2 weeks to train in jail. Ifatigue lana ukuthi bake baphumula kwesingabantu abangabafazi abanye babe njani bechadile besenza into zokuthi bake bemakhaya belima benzeni bebona lapha abayinte khona stuff. So isikhathi sakhona sibe sincane but njengoba last time bawin 2011 we were wishing them ukuthi bephinde futhi and ibo futhi abawine 6 times I think bayina 6 times because of so we are praying to have it for the 7th time.
Angasubala phela 6 times nje usubala la lesiyane sasichisa
esabona boys
esasiganye esabo Rosemary
I
don't think we'll ever have
Zulu mdala
wena
le new audience yabo lana bebedlalela naye ayitshaya.
I think back then kunengokuyenzakala but women's soccer quality teams with quality teams be like proper
precious simple ayitshaya
lena was one of the best. So but I'm actually happy ukuthi at least isquad sesikhona.
Yeah,
they're doing something
exactly.
And I think in that regard then kule issue esakhuluma ngefinal okwenzakala ku final eAfcon sakubona sonke omunye lomunye wayelombono wakhe labantu labo as individuals babe lembono yabo then iCAF isibuyile yona le wayo umbono oyo official ahle siqase ngoref bathe
uref bamclear uref ba check everything did everything due diligence so he's been cleared. No match fixing, no nothing according to the ref.
But watch her clean
wenza walandela konke proper.
Sisavumelana la
yeah uref wa sharp
uref clean. Then Senegal I think bayishaye ngefine I think 600K.
Yeah, iSenegal bayithe 600,000 but
then kulo coach
bamchaya futhi I think 100,000 or 300,000 plus 5 games ban.
5 games ban.
Then
was it fair though?
Yeah, it was fair. It was fair because yabona
ngoba lathi sasikhala ukuthi umuntu wenza njalo ngoba sihlala sikhala khona lokho ila elokuze.
Yabona as a coach you are a role model of those players. They look up to you, they listen to you. You give them direction on what to do. So kwenzakele ibhora babefuze nxa beprotesta bebuya ama players ezokuma kuye khona bano coach than ukuphuma total estate ground like even a stadium ayesekwenza which was wrong as a coach as somebody who played football. Even if ngathi wayekela abadlali abadliwa he was not going to be blamed. Why was bemsole even elizweni lakhe because everyone was going to say siqeliwe. But the way ayenza ngayo of course we understand the passion, we understand ama tempers flare ebhoreni but akusasaba nga sportsmanship. But sasikubone kusenzakala nje esikhiweni kusenzakala bephuma besenza njalo but nonetheless eAfrica nxa sokwenzakele sokusiba kuphi kakhulu. Ngivele thina singabantu abamnyama yonke into ethi ifuze bemnyama ayifuza ngicaka.
Lokho mdala vele mina uhlala kumbhubuza uMasuthu uhlala ngikhuluma ngakho even ebeef. Lokho vele kumele be heavy fine. I think exactly. To me sharp fine.
If fine nana yenzela ukuthi kona in the future. Lucky enough for Senegal like Morocco because number 1 and 2 they were given good sum of amount. So imali abasayisebenzisa abasayikhwalisi isiphungulwa sesiyangana. But nonetheless the fine itself it shows ukuthi kona i-commitment yokuthi Africa need serious football because even Israel angayitholi fine nje.
I-CAF serious.
CAF ibe serious.
Yeah, lapha
and fairness as well of judgment because ama Moroccans wanted to kuna kube le replay kumbe i-Senegalese trip. They checked everything, they answered everything, but ayibhora ilokuzeni Senegal remain the rightful winners,
champions, yeah.
the champions akula replay but ama fines bakhatsa yonke indawo.
Lapha vele ifine mina ngibona ngani vele bekufuna i-heavy sibili strap sibili ukuthi ubakaraphe too much ngefine cause liyani into khumbula mdala bekuyifinal wesingapha sise-Africa webhayi i-world infrastructure masibhekile babona ngani i-Africa vele akulapho vele bayaseyisa bona then ubusenza swana i-final you know mdala ukuthi kukhona abantu ababengazange bebukele i-African Cup abayilanda ngefinal even khona apha e-Africa ubusulanda mdala i-final ubusubona such things and lama youngsters laba khula abafana bebhora bese bebona ama-finali abantu abanjabo Mane Senegal Egypt Morocco bephuma eground kulector which picture ebafanele abancane so mbona ngani khona khana mdala ukuthi labo mabe kunga understand ukuthi bafine into enje kuyabonisa labafana abancane lingakwenzi kwento laba mdala bebelethe i-bad picture mdala into embili akade beyenzile mbona ngani i-fine la right kakhulu stropola sabe sharp kakhulu mntana
yakhumbula issue abofana bano Bolboy I think Morocco bayichayile khona
bayichayile Bolboy bayichaja ngoBolboy laba ngasaphundukuza amabhora plus nje ukuthi even iSenegal ichaya futhi ngama fans into ehlasikhuma ukuthi kona ama fans react ngendlela engayisiyo and at the end of the day bese kusafa iclub kumbe kusafa i-national team so nxa iclub sisafile lapha wesi coming back to Zimbabwe vela kula mali kungela mali kunjalo sebelithathela imali izabhadala iclub ayisabhadala nguwe wena unuhamba endlini yezikholisela usufuna i-team iperform better so let's try by all means ukuthi nxa sizondila sikuyamukeleni khona then we air our grievances at the end of the match after ngendlela ezinjani proper because kulama proper channels to file ama complaints
uHakim la bamshayini uHakim 2 match suspension bamshaya 100,000 ikhafi bingadlali
yabo kimamsha I think e1 ithwa kona imatch ngelo kuze nini yabi any other match e1 futhi bekhafu
official match so within that 1 year
within a year period
but overall I think mna personally I'm happy ngama lokhuzini decision which was taken by iCAF I think lokana sithanda ukuthi sibuye back to ibhora lethu laba ama team la anathanda ukuthi penalty ngaphiwe BF asephuma I think isizini lengakaqalisi
sesingene
siyangena
I think isizini ngakaqalisi yabona into lana is paid for football asesikhale kakhulu
it's very paid last time I think it's in 2023 we had a fan engagement eHarare talking about these things we encouraged ilokuzeni PSA ukuthi kona ibe nama heavier fines for such behavior but you find out that it's always 2,000. It's always 2,000.
Yabona imali ezincane.
Ingaba 2,000 imali ukuthi even anyone can just fork it out from his pocket and
on behalf of wesikhathi singamambinga mentality.
Ngamambinga semaningi la. But imali ingaba iningi and kuphiwe futhi even maybe fine plus 3 points.
Fine.
Kutshengisa ukuthi kubuhlungu so that a club as much as a club ingayisiya benza umsindo but ila mandla ukucontrol ama fans abo.
Yes.
So bengayenza njalo because into ebuhlungu ngomthetho lami ngikhuluma nje so singakwenza ku chicken ini keke kuze affect ububi bomthetho ukuthi ngaze ngikhulume ngicanta kwenzakala kithi kuyenzakala but it would be good so that people won't do that and even umuntu abekwenze khonokho ethole something like it maybe 3 match games ungavunyelwa ukuyabukela ibhora but ubanwe stadium that will it will be better engabonakala then legal actions umuntu ekahambe stokisini 6 months
yes
sibukela ibhora sikhole because awusakwanisa ukuhamba labantwana ukuyabukela ibhora ukwanisa ukuhamba even nomfazi labantwana likama nxa ngihamba labantwana sofuze ngehlela ku VIP lokuzeni ngiyayithatha ngayimali ongenisa abantwana ngo6 ku VIP
usungene imali yokudla ama ice cream
yabona ngaba kufika nxa kudla ama ice cream bese bekhwezile ngo$. Ice cream ukusachaza ibhora vele ukuthi limnandi ikakhulu nxa lapho kulabantu omsindo khona uyebukela ibhora uhlezi ku-VIP abantu bukela ku-TV.
Ya mina mdala mbona ngathi amafayina ikakhulu lapha mawungathi 3 points team ithathelwe emdala yabe 3 points team yakwazi ya recover
o 6
lo bengathatha 9 mdala uyabona kube kwazi ukuthi chawe 12 points.
Yes.
Yabona thi siyalandela even le social mdala. Kuye kwaba le team ku social last season le mdala. Idlalise someone obedlala ku D1.
Ofutsha kuvunyelwa.
Ofutsha avunywa mdala. Ibiphambili mdala bayazi stars lene ese number 1 mdala. Ibi number 1 chi ama team I remember phana ibile 54 points. Team ebilandela ibile 30 something. Dala yasuswa from Kopana yabuyela ku 3 points.
Bayikhipela heavy
mdala uthi start from start. Kokhana kushonu for ama team lobu kade ufuna ukudlalisa omunye umuntu. Susaba mdala yabona that's a heavy yabona. Into ezinjalo ziyabonakala. Yabona even lathi ama fans njengawethu yabona thina ama fans yabo. Singabakwazi ukuthi wona laba bangasibamba. Siyabo 6 months mdala wena ungabona imoya yakho mdala. Ungabuye phi. Imagine ukuthi i-team iyadlala mdala wena uyafisa ukuhamba le mali ulayo uzothi wena uvunyelwa yabona wena uvunyelwa mdala uyapanda yabona mdala wena next time uyathuhleli mdala uku represent something ifence uyayihlonipha mdala uyeqela okwamanje vela sihlonipha ifence
sizilwa kunyikinya lokho
yakwazi ngayeqela ifence ina nje bambambo lokho uzena babedaya emasuthi abuyela emasuthi ngayenza njalo nje yabo so ama lokho zemdala yamele sibilingana onyiswa mdala kancane
ufaka ama stricter
yabona into ekhunywa ngomasuthi imali even bengathi 20,000 so kule mpinga these days ayibhadala but ungakhipha 12 points impinga ayikwanisi ukuthenga ama points ama points ofuze lodlala le ground abakhipha ama points ke ema team bebhana abantu ema ground umuntu ngamfindiswa uyayithola imali
very PSL imeli be
serious iPSL kona
uyabona njenge PF mawungathi ungakhiphela island athola mdala
uyibulele
loba sesukubona sufuna ukuyeqela ground mdala sikhumbula 12 points mdala mdala siyamu futhi namasiyabamba wena mdala so yena liyani into ungafindisa umuntu muthiwa 6 months yathi right uhamba 6 months owakhe latsali sisenza lo munye ahamba but ungathiwa i-team yakuthiwa 12 points sikubona wena useqele ground mhlawumbe usuphosa angijazi thina vele mdala kuyaphosa
because usukwazi ama consequences
kuyaphosa ubone sokule bhodlela phakathi singawubona usuphosa ibhodlela mdala sakhombula 12 points sesingawuqanisela mdala
even zone 3 points ungathiwa ukujika ama misses 3 points ubusuka uthi kona ngesizini ungajika ka4 sokuyi 12 points eZimbabwe zitholakala nzima
wena
khona i1 point yakona
so sisafe thina ngenxa yakho ojikayo angeke mdala so mina ngibona abaqine kuma points.
Then there was also a good thing that I saw over the weekend. We've also sesikhuluma kakhulu ngoBrighton Chimene urefu awutsho umntwana I think is progressing well and is representing urefu beZimbabwe proper because ngembona emanye ama referee eZimbabwe uthi ikhafu ingeke iphinde ifake ilihlo ngamanye ama referee officiating yabo phela
yabona uChimene nguye umuntu ofuzela iphi imoto lona nxa benikeza imoto because that guy is lifted our flag so high in Zimbabwe.
Thank you Butho.
He's so humble. Even ngazumfake e-stadium wherever ngambona kukalenders lapha okule pressure khona. Ngazulani mina akayenza mistake. Yena uyakwanisa ukuphikisa uLine. Uyakwanisa ukuphikisa uLine mina ePF. Even ama supporters ngazi ethi penalty bebethi free kick. Ngazi bemshawude benzeni ka next move ka change ke sapi ukuthi ngeke ngachache abantu bayalenders bandithethisa. Nxa ungakantsha umuntu wayalenders uyachacha it's just fair.
Alona champion
ipace uyafollow aka referee nje abantu khona babegijima nzima ground
ufit
is always there wherever the game is ayisibo labantu uthi bayotokona lina bechikenini kumbe alina belenders alonyaka lizakhawula uzungurefu okhuluma njalo that's is more professional
as I was happy ngeperformance yakhe ngathi and ngabe igame le bayinika umunye uref iyayilenda Scotland
exactly.
Something worse could have happened that but ngendlela ukuthi wayibamba njani ngahle ngathi this is a ref so I'm not surprised nxa sengimbona esecha kuCAF and in them boy asila team thina khona uma group stages but yena uyas represent asila ref uyasirepresent bekungela ref ukukhapha uyasirepresent amdala that guy deserves
lona umuntu uyahlonipha i-office lakhe mdala uyastenda on his ground mdala eyazi into yakhe le imusanga yabona kulamanye ama-ref othi masikwazi ukuthi namhla yale ndiyadlala nsithi urefuna uba vele uyayizonda lo and usakhuluma njalo eyenza the same thing oyicabangayo you know la uthinta abantu abangaka lo umuntu vele uyayizonda uyabukhulumela ku-crowd ebesebonakala ukuthi lo vele
baqala bekuphikisa
babe ngamazi because i-officiating it was bad
yabona which man anje abantu bathe bese-Egypt beselectwa baselect bengorefa abaningi kakhulu and wahamba waya-excela kuva just imagine something esingelayo eZimbabwe
imagine
something esingelayo eZimbabwe has never officiated kuva but ehambe khona ngale yenze referee ephumelele kulokho ephumelele epasa mostly ama-scores akhe be-high lapho esingekho khona which means is intelligent which means is dedicated uyastart uyalandela umsebenzi wakhe so because what I understand even abantu abayenza ama-teacher or something like that are relying ama-old basics ukuhamba ngezikhathi kulawo ebusithi nxa uwedwa ukubuyela endlini uku-research so that you know ukuthi sokulana okutsha and they invest more entweni zakhe because how could he go and officiate kuva thina eZimbabwe asikaze sishaye even iva yethu
vela yikho asikakhangeleli ukuthi
maybe 4-5 years to come ukuthi sibe la
but yena divide sayithola njani
singa-hosta something
no kungaba leli technology sebekhipha labana
sebelahlela kithi
sebekhipha abomthina lana sebelahlela
so you see a person like that is something which we have to cherish as a nation.
Too much.
It's unfortunate we only have got one. Ngasle 2 or 3 or like some who are like that, we're going to be proud because abantu abaningi bachaya impembe bekhohle ukuthi khona there is a greater reward than $100 engiphiwayo ukuthi ngifake esokisini ukuthi khona uteam A ifuze wina versus team B. But nxa ungachaya impembe uyala imali ka team A team B, there is a greater reward you get. You get recognition. And that recognition that's the highest level in Africa.
That's the
highest level. Akulenye level
and imagine but you're speaking about that World Cup is coming.
You see, it can be called.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Ama chances akhe vele they're too high. Because yabona manje uhambe kuva ubizwele kuyabonakala isithomlo le patient into yakhe. Into le vele into udedicated entweni yakhe. Than ama $50. Ungathi $100. Sometimes babe banje $50 mdala.
Ngicabanga ubonile game abamnika yona antu bechaya ngeweekend. JS Kabylie lana eAlgeria le Al aso game encane so it shows ukuthi I trust sebembona uthomlo into ayenza ayazi
and the more a performer kuhle khona pana I pray ukuthi a performer kuhle the more a performer kuhle khona pana you can have a reference in World Cup the first one ever is even like Nxasingela
exactly
singela team es representative
national team
is something so nice and I'm so proud for him ukuthi nje na gakuso umuntu lona olawudi kakhulu waziwa ngabantu ukuthi ngathi wasiphi imoto labana banika abantu imoto abantu bakula Limelight kakhulu
ayizithengela mdala
ayizithengela
edonga sawo kambe uyazithengela mdala
bekwazi ukuthi usuchaye
azazithengela mdala iningi imali yala mdala
ibhasi libuyile wani alikabuyi ibhasi likhona
ele scotch
ibhasi
ngani eChagon sibone mdala
kana ahora sora yokije nje apha ibhasi lihle hayi
Bothoni ubona lenjani
nje urifa emezi ibhasi
mina epiction and ngibonela isikhwe kakhulu ngingazi nxa sendibona
video menzi 5 video menzi ula video
nxa sendibona kuhle zeliphandle lapha maybe because zakhuluma
mana umenzi 5 video lababukeli beyibone besho ukuthi ibhasi ethengwe ngose ukunethivayo eTheri Island injani lo uyakhala uthi imbi
we appreciate the gesture though I'm so Islanders I appreciate the gesture though but and mina personally angithandanga iyayika angithandanga quality yakho nale bese maybe njengomuntu othiwa nguse la yabisa something which is say
abanje laba platinum labo KFC
ama Iris mahle
yawabona uChiefs labo Pirates
abo Scotland
but remember Islanders is 100 mdala
mana kubuze so compared to elikhona
compared to elikhona la mdala i-donation buya from ezidumbini mdala from Nyaratsu yabona so mdala kula into athi unga-expect mdala from lapha thina sikhuluma i-Islanders is turning 100 mdala Kelo Chiefs Kelo Pirates Kelo Platinum khela uCaps United mntana ibhasi mali ibhakile mntana
ngithi compared to lelena ncane ibhakile alama ibile enhloni kakhulu
compare elikhona lelibuyileyo
likhona lelana mdala bekuyilokho
elikhona lelana iIV kodwa niqinile le sesiya ngokuqina than lokuzeni ayikho but kodwa ubuhleni ubuhle ngokuqina
zona mdala besingalilandeli lelana. I remember one day sidlule eGweru lalo selibhoda lalo sithi mdala besingekho proud mdala sifuna ukuhambe bodwa phambili mdala sale silandeli kunzima ukulandela into enjana mdala
yayikonhlelana
lokho akube mdala. I was always complaining about ibhasi mdala.
Awukhuluma kakhulu.
I was always complaining about ibhasi mdala.
Iko phela sithi at least okungcono.
Kungcono because no one can give you a pass. Whether live whether lihle. Lapha sesikhuluma nje kokuchoka nje ukudlala but sesiya une stress note and
ibhasi proper.
Ayikho proper.
Ibhasi.
Another means food is another means poison. You understand that? Mina ubuhle bani ndibona ngangako because ngizalibona.
Elikhona lelana.
Ukuthi wena usukhangela
esilalo vele lalingela ama charger mntana. Ngilapho charger khona angaza wefana because uma ufuna abafana beka lokho kwangela amacha lokho khona kwangani liya enkayi kumbe lefela bhusi mntana.
Ukathelani basi comfort yakho uzefika eKaripa expect result.
But
ndiyabona mntana
uyabona leli TV
mdala comfort njalo mbona ngani izitulo lezala lezana ezadjustwa mdala lawo mawani usudini yakho uyaziqa mawani kade ulimele lawo uyafaka lawo lonyawo uthi gaxa nje
sobonganini
lawo ifona lapha
sokushape eteamini bonganini awuchethi ukubuya kwemkoma benji ovini onganca khanyela tese lisimayini
hayi mina mdala ukuthi vele ezinye izinto mina
ngiyathanda ukuthi ngimtsukile
anthanda into enhle lobe ibuya ngomuntu onjanja amfuni lokhana
ngiyathanda ukuthi ngimsuke la yawazi but at least I'll be proud man lichayile ihlombe ukuthi team la izakhala 100 ye ale bus proper mbona nama kit kube kuhanjwa kathizi mbona bazali setha sibili
ama kit ucabangela because gawa sponsor ngani
ngiyacabangela ukuthi at least
okay sebethengile ibhasi uchiva sebathengile bona ke abayenza
something labo
bazachuna hopeful so sakhuluma ngiyayilenda le bus bukula ma friendly anti pre-season bukula ma friendly over the weekend benlelihlo abantu babahambile abalelihle abathanda balunguzile babuya abanyenyezela bathi hayi sibonile but esikubonileyo mdala abantu bathi they are not happy angazi ukuthi uthini umbela ubusuzwini uthi uthini for just to give context to our viewers iyadeni idlalele lenkayi 2 games anti was pre-season vele 2 teams yakwanza uchinje first game badlale 0-0 lenkayi second game badliwa 1-0
it's not a bad result.
I consider it is pre-season but ngikhulumela ukuthi umuntu onyenyezele uthe ngakubonileyo is not happy
anje bonke I problem esisuka sibe layo especially nxa kuyi training ikubona bedlale bakufaka kuzenini closed door
yes
because I judgment yabantu isuka ibe conclusive yena umuntu esa assess
kakhulu
yabona so
I get that
usa assess team yakhe he can just put anyone anyhow any position to play anyhow and see kakabibazi kakhulu futhi is trying to know the players and find ukuthi kona which one is the right one low because uyabe siya ngokuthi kona wena uthe udlala iphi position kumbe zothola udlala which position yena as a coach yabe ngabile that proper assessment because uqhatshe maybe 2 weeks ago last week so we I understand ukuthi i0-0 is a fair result i1-0 is a fair result because then ukuthi ube le false start yokuwina then usuzitshela so right
true
so siya phambili sulinyazo but we have a better assessment mhla ka15 lapha azafaka kuna abantu vile friendly bakwazi ufaka bonke ama players but vile Highlanders le Dynamos akula frank into siyaziyo but we are just going to have a better assessment then see ukuthi kona tactically how good is he
yes
and ama players awona aminjani then from there we can start talking
mana sifa yini umnikazi we team
mina Jensi angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngeteam uthi twayidlala njani thina sizwa thwa Mwaruwaru you are a coach from Uchivayo and the administration omhlophe asikamboni thinto ngcoach so ngaphule ama socks akhe simbone ukuthi ungicoach thina sikwazi uma route ungicoach so sizabona mhla ka15 lama games abuyayo because tomorrow kithi hayi asikambali njengocoach
awukamkhawundi
hayi
ama page kuyafika le degree mdala wena coaching top coach lo dizabona ama
results ubenze omkhuluma ngayo lo wadlala 15 ngale ngezi
muwe ya so isizile mvubona ukuthi ngozi ngani kuwayelenders abafans ngani basa divided basabona sizisiqhathi
abanye bathi ubench right abanye bathi hayi
mara ke mbuye kuwe let me bring it home to you abasoma changes amancane ungabona hayi mdala vele asichili lutho there was a lot of developments ku chicken from media officer odokotela ama-giant
dala
kusefika kuma juniors ali reshuffling kwenzakalani lapha just take us through.
I think Chicken now is developed to be a proper football club than it was before. However, changes akhona abe too much. Abe too much for a fan. I'm speaking on my behalf as a fan. These views reflect no one else's views but mine. I'm very antabanga. I was happy ukuthi kona we've changed the coach. Ucoach Silondiraya, ucoach owina ku Simba, owina ku Scotland, sezowina ku Chicken championship. Kati sezoxoxisa imisebenzi abantu because abantu
kanti awusithi sezoxoxisa
because bonke abakubulawa basaqhatshwa ngapha sokuqhatshwa bonke abantu abaveri Harare nganto kona iphura lidlalwe Harare kuphela
njalo abantu abamdala ubuye labo from Scotland
lokho kukhuluma ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu ame Chicken insane fan
ubuye labo from Scotland
uzofaka iChicken
uko zwana
mina ngibuhlungu
mala sitela ama viewers enyitho kulo muntu othwa ubona ngekit mdala
ungathola umuntu kit manager
kit manager mdala ukuthi uyabubala ama kit mdala so ungazi kit manager mdala come on man Chicken ina ibe serious
lokho umuntu ku6 Avenue lapho ne manager
siphuma lapha yatoba N1 ebe ngithi umfundisi lokho
kuyabala amathini lokuzeni
uthuwela abantu from eHarare thula hayi Chicken indawo kulelinye ilitho lingayisilo man Chicken yikho sometimes sina thekubona ngama Saturday prefer ukubukela ukuthi ibulawa Chiefs sikhona akazifuna ukubukela social singabukela Chicken because you can't allow ukuthi umuntu ebuye even ama-medics mdala even
udokotela yatshintshana
odokotela utshintshana mdala yena temele boyempilo assistant omunye umthole
kulapho ku tactical
akule
so manje why uthi udokotela
why uthi udokotela
kobulawa kula dokotela
enxa uthi uNdira nguye olokhuzileyo osuggestileyo enxenye usebenza ngcono lo dokotela uyakwazi ukuthi uNdira ufunani lo obekhona ku Chicken
madoda mana
udokotela ungena ngamuntu
ufuna ungena ngapha kufuneni ka coach
ufuna nga coach
unyawo lungalimali uyafika spray mbelule ucoach ufuna
ufuna I'm just saying ngeperspective yami because ama trends athi
buya lo goalkeepers coach buya lo assistant manager lo assistant wakho buya lo lawe ube khona then I can't utshintsha team manager utshintsha everything kusathe kopula kwengela umsebenzi mina ngibuhlungu ngalokana sibe mfuni angifuni
maybe nxa it says a lot about
la nxa uba supporter eChicken but lokho ngibuhlungu lokho
enxa it says a lot about the executive but media officer I'm happy slow media officer let's call Brighton sihlale la iphansi next week then sizwe I think it's very important even to our viewers
inkinga ka Brighton uBrighton ebeqhatshiwe
uyakhuluma
uBrighton kasoze khulume lutho ukuthi why kuyenzakala lokhu la lokhu because yena uthethe was
anena ngumedia office asizweni that perspective
simbiza siyalukumbiza there's no problem of calling him but what I'm saying ukuthi kona ngumuntu oqhatshiweyo umuntu omutsha futhi eclubini
angithi it's important isizwe sim-interrogate isizwe
njalo umuntu oholayo lo
umuntu ohola and
uyakhuluma defend
interrogation yakho nxa iphendula uzaphendula protector umsebenzi wakhe
protect umsebenzi wakhe
because kasoze khuluma mina ngikhuluma ndisupporta ncengi phela mina ngisupport
I get you
ngilisupporta mina andibona ngishiyene la lona umuntu ohola lapha mina ngikhuluma ubuhlungu endlabo eze support umuntu othanda iChicken engafoswanga usupport iChicken
mina ngobona ama changes lawana bengizitshela ukuthi improvement bengakwazi ukuthi okunengi because bemuzibuza othomlo ama-technical changes amangaka
udinga lo muntu omessage abantu ukumesaja uthi lamini nginje ngiyakwazi
akwasola
lo muntu lesandla zokumasaja
kunje so siphuma la kule gym lapha futhi amabhawu kuze ube le bhawu ngale ibhawu Kobulawayo tshula ama-team lapha phela sibhaleni phela senza abantu beseharare
lamabhawu amaningi
kobulawayo lamabhawu amaningi asibeke lamabhawu le hayi madoda
awukho right lokho
abantwana beswela umsebenzi
abantu bakobulawayo beswela umsebenzi bezothola umsebenzi
kwebuye ibhawu lithimelani abantu bakobulawayo
ngiyahleka athi barabela yahleka ngizichazwa yiphashini etifaka ukuthi even emabhawini
bajimelani abantu bakobulawayo akuvalo phela amabhawu kube lamajim eharare kuphela abe lokhu ebuya la lama-massage kuvalo kube lokhu
no
okwamathitha ngeke sikhulume
ubuya labantu bakho abangu-20 babangaki ozabakholisa mbani nanti yiclub so iclub has got the say over that ayisikuthi awunkoach
yikho de ngutsho ukuthi iclub
asothi ngawuqhatsha ukuthi kona mna nisebenza abantu abangu-15 bese ngubuza abantu abangu-15 abahole emalini yakho ayimemba akholisayo mvumi.
You understand?
Which is wrong.
This is what I was saying. It says a lot about the executive also.
It's wrong.
Of the club.
It's wrong.
Abakukhayena maybe ngendlela yona leya.
But
I was happy for umuntu njengoDego. uDeni former chicken player even uKudini.
And kulo Beni kulo Deko kulo guide kulo Kudini.
I'm happy for those guys.
That is good. It shows ukuthi kona they love their former players. Then they want to elevate them to another level, giving them another chance ukuthi maybe in the future going to coach in a team. That is very good.
Thank you.
Lokana nda problem la lokana. Lokana is thumbs up. I'm very happy and I'm very okuhle kuyaphi. Mina I want Chicken In to succeed this season and I'm optimistic is succeed. But ubuhlungu bami inxeba lami
ngene ukuthi But ngabona something ingaveli ichaywe ngepashini ozifake
vele ngaze yakwazi wena sonke isikhathi phezulu umbone vele interview after game nxa idliwe vele ayintshintshi nyawe sengidabukile vele lendlina ndanjabuka. But what I'm saying is I was optimistic for a change. Happy Ndira has come. I don't mind ukuthi ubuya nama assistant akhe urumbela bobani. But into enza ubuhlungu kakhulu to say it without fear of anything, without fear of any victimization whatsoever. There was no need yokuthi kuxoxwe nxa kuxoxwa ngabaxoxwe bonke but kuqhatshwa abanye abakobulawayo. Ichikenini ikobulawayo. They should maintain the identity yokuthi ikobulawayo silamasela amaningi afuze ephume estradini engene emsebenzini silabantu kuba ngikhithi manager abantu abadlala ibhola abaningi abadlalela Highlanders badlalela ichikenini abaningi abangasebenziyo. They can be a team manager. Uchina kasekho ngiyade uthi manager
ngothi manager imagine
yabona ukubuhlungu njani ukuthi
anya kuthona
after how long a server that team and because ukubuye a new coach what's so special about that?
I get that
because we cannot be happy ukuthi khona we are progressing ngapha sincindezele ezinye imoto that dependa khona.
I get that
it's very painful. It's very nakimi kubuhlungu lokho
phela into ethiyo ngobutho is so painful ukuthi nasi Chickenini asithi manje kungena uBulawayo Chiefs lapha nje we are happy ukuthi at least kobulawayo sokuyi opportunity abanye abantu esibazaqhatshwa abanye manje but kube kuyi downfall futhi thina ukuthi kungena eBulawayo Chiefs kumbe kungena eChickenini kuyabe kusijabulisa ukangokoze small employers asikhangelanga ngefootball ukodwa mdala abanye abantu abazaqhatshwa abanye bangikhithi manager abanye babalani abanye mdala even lawo lobuthengisa ama frozen mdala uzahamba uyathengisa ama Chickenini idlala so khona khona kube sokuqhatshwa umunye umuntu ongaso wakho lapho mdala akusela ncedo phela downfall
ululu ukusimba bhora usuke kobulawayo ukwasuka lemvuto yonke yakobulawayo hamba la khona ngale baqhatshe khona ngalo
abaqhatshe khona ngale
ulokuzini uthambani uluphahlu lapha platinum ukwasuka lemvuto yonke yakobulawayo hamba la khona ngale why Chickenini senza njalo sile only two teams
true
ama job opportunities malutshwana mina vele umsebenza ngufuni ngi writing nje but for other people
you understand
it's not fair lokana it's not fair ibuhlungu into enza ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi angila mandla phezulu kokuthi ngikwanisa ukukutshintsha okwenzakeleyo angila mandla but I will support my team 100%. Akusizo ukutshintsha ukusupport it kwami team ngizayi support 100% but
afa nje kulela icishile kwena
but that decision alisikhamsanga kahle ayikho right because I see against decision there are people who make decisions on our behalf nonetheless siza kuyamukela kunjalo but ngaku yatshintsheka kanti lokho bekufuze ukutshintshwe lokho
true
because abantu abaningi kakhulu ichicken ibingela technical engakayana vele isikhathi sonke even ithatha 2015 ibingela abantu abangakaya
yakuzwisa anyalizwa majeza anyalizwa
ku benefit abantu
akutrick so kule Simba Bora isimaborera ise Botswana. I think badlali friendly babone bona bawinile friendly yabo eBotswana. That's why ngikhuluma ukuthi ba perform njani. Isizini iyabuya siyabona ama team athenga and they are outside the country. Most of the team la adlala amanye like ngatheka iPlatinum eZambia. eZambia ama team lana akusizini iphakathi. So yikho bengiworried kakhulu ngama results. Compare lamanye ama team adlalayo. iCaps la iphumile out iCaps and South
Malawi
anzwa ukuthi idlale njani yona khona ngale eMalawi then iScotland ise South Africa. I only speak for lawa engwazile
Platinum la
iPlatinum seZambia. And eZambia was so fortunate ukuthi silo muntu walapho sebenze eZambia was there watching that game. Hayi asiqalise ngayo uKhalini uthi iPlatinum this season watch out. Talk ya feel he was so impressed nge FC Platinum because wabukela eNAPSA wabukela edlale Sunday le izanako idlwe 3-1. So uthi hayi iPlatinum ibiya lazo. So isizini le esiyakile ama team serious gents. Ama teams adonsa ama socks and wakhayina ama team serious aphumile aphandle. It says a lot about le ndlela abathenge ngayo. Ungacheka ama foreigners asikhulume ngakho lapha last week because ngicela ngiyabona abanye abeSwaziland. So uthenga abanye abeSwaziland abanye abeNamibia ama team serious athenga and they are outside the country doing pre-season. Uthi ngama pre-season results le ndlela aba prepare. I know abantu abaningi babe sithi pre-season ayilanda but i-pre-season iko lapho is the most important
cultivation.
We understand.
Cultivate.
So ama team nxa prepare ubone siyadla ama team eBotswana ekonse sidla ama team eZambia even though iPlatinum win one edliwa one so far but it's saying something about bona
one thing I can say about iPlatinum since you have said ukuthi khona umuntu he was giving a feedback city kona we should watch out for iPlatinum. iPlatinum when they employed Ulupahla the first thing it did, he sat down with former players, he sat down with the supporters and he learned the culture of the team. iPlatinum nxa ibukele lapho ibukele khona vele ibhora la vele is 1-2. It's always doing that.
And utsho njalo.
And so nxa unga understand ukuthi khona iculture ye team le imiso and you maintain that culture, taking it from there, it becomes easy for you to coach that team or to get results from that. So Ulupahla nga maintain that ebese faka la kama spices and his own knowledge, he will be hard to beat. But nxa ukuthi khona ama team la ayadla ama team avele ekuform thina singekho ku training, it shows that the level of football in Zimbabwe is now growing a bit and we are happy because that is funa ukubona a competitive league. Asifuna ukuthi nxa ndlala kuthiwa iBoss idlala eChickenini uhlelo ushaka nayo lena yocover eBoss alena yocover eChickenini nayo sifuze sithi asazi ukuyazala nkomo bani because everyone should go there anticipating a blockbuster of a match. Because that's what we want. We need more seriousness from the executive, more seriousness from the team. Because kathi isikhathi sikiswa asosikhathi sama players isikhathi executive ukuthi izitshengisa ukuthi how much serious are they for this coming season, how much are they willing to invest, how much sponsors are they going to look. So ngabona abanye abama sponsors sebesemazweni bazama lina lokho elithe dususu likhona kulanto eyenza libhizi livala le trade fair libhizi livala nela kulo luvivi akulanto eziphumayo and we expect results.
Uthini ngiyayele ndikhula le chicken lezi around
asizenze something like nxa zingayanga elekuze nini out ayisikuthi kona i-pre-season yenziwa out kuphela but idlala nini ama-friendly ama team anje abo Highlanders ama team avele ku league while iqaphela ongonkayi United uphandle ngathi dinganini ama team amanye mangaka ama team angahambanga
owadrop
babize nini ichayela ama-friendly lapha eBF achani la ama team nala vele ekusame level lana angisoze ngithi ngiyachaya mina ngisilo lo mntwana wo grade 3 kufuze ngidinge la umuntu njengami isitrainer sichayana ibe kwazi ngizathaya nxa sensiyakula ku match
that's why ku boxing labari nxa isithi uyaspara ushaya sparring lo
muntu ethipa umuntu osekwadlula lapha khona umuntu le knowledge of what is ayikho into kona nyachaya ngiqina la abafazi
bephinde bekudle
bengidla sokuthi kona ngidina ngashapha ayi training ama motors So we need seriousness. We need more commitment. At least ichicken ngiyazama ukuhambisa coach outside of the country to Spain to gain some knowledge. So we hope ulwazi alutholile lwana lafike njani elusebenzise to invest into kuzeni team yakhe improve. But ababe serious because even uBlack Chiefs la ithule futhi into sengikhohliwe. Angizwe ukuthi iyadlala la ithule nje into amateam akubulawa akho serious bese ukuphuma futhi next year sosala sila team angu
uthini
mawukhuluma serious about amateam akubulawayo wonke A3 enyivela ku D1 ayikho serious
ayikayenzi lutho
lawa I2 asinde ngokulambisa ukuthi a relegate but yet becala ukuthi yomele sibe serious khona awonke awukho serious cause ukwenza ifriendly labonkayi under closed doors ukhona ngoba kwenza eZIT futhi awaya abantu ababengabona lokhala phela mina mbona ngani uTeam B weHighlanders ungcono kulenkayi United akula into ababeyenza kufana ukuthi base YCT ku arena babazitrainela
but inkayi ungabatshela bayala ngoba bawinini ba draw
hayi yiko phela kuyabe kushuthi ukuthi iHighlanders yona ngokwayo kanje ayikho serious you can't say userious usenza uyabona ungathi usiyakhangelela ama exams ka form 4 o level wena uhambe uye starter lama grade 7 ama results usho one kahle yabona iHighlanders is not serious Chicken is not serious ibulawa Chiefs angazi mbona besayini ongane ukucaca but so far thina kuHighlanders angaboni i-signing
what but ama pre-season friendlies like ubutho rightfully put it amabulawa teams akayenzi like angazi maybe
singazi thina andisikhangelele S15 le against Dynamos it's a part of ifriendly
sele le 4 weeks phela yawazi
thina party
to the start of
4 weeks nengakhulu namhlanje thina
siku 2
thina sesele 13 days ukuthi siyenze ifriendly yethu le Dynamos
but what I'm saying is sile 4 weeks to
Dynamos la
kick-off iDynamos iDynamos
la
ithule bona ngale zigwagweni la
so isikhofu zabe sidonsana zodwa futhi ezizinto yazi
but ngeplatinum labo Simba lithini le Scotland le Capes
lezala mdala zehlelekile yabona iScotland iplatinum asikhuluma enqiniso from the wet go iplatinum mdala ihlelekile look at uthi uqhatha kwayo luphahla mdala ungathananzelela akhangela luphahla mdala lapha asuke khona from bobotel 1 mdala esithi luphahla mdala umlanze ezubutho kade esisho mdala i-football yakhe nje ayifaka oil on the ground mdala ayakhanya even i-relationship yakhe lama players yabona nje ufana kwethu lokho oluphahla wayesinike khona umshori lwana uMcNon lo mdala uyabulala lo
akuyalazi
mdala imagine sengale sichapa icarpet mdala luphahla mdala balazi ibhora
angikwazi thokolo number 26 le trade begqoka 26 platinum athi abakhalile Zambia angimazi I think sizamkhayela simcheck but over and above all I mean I like what Simba Bora Scotland Capes you name them what they're doing in
the other thing the most contributing factor to that Capes realized that last season we need to invest for the next season yadinga ama sponsor phela akula team ele sponsorship esikhulu njenge Capes iCapes isponsor nge4 million ayikona ngo300,000 afa phezulu kwetafula 4 million US baba i300 ngama300 mangaka ku4 million angene zeginyo zedinwe kona pha but azange ifike phezulu kwetafula azange ifike ukuthi sigwaba isikele thina singelayo imali good sponsorship iFC Platinum good sponsorship iSimba Bora ile good sponsorship so all those things even at rock even lokuzenini la iScotland lama sponsors are right so we know ukuthi khona ileague eZimbabwe ayibhadala to capitalize as dingeni nama sponsorships singadinga ama sponsorships then we do those things we cannot iHighlanders I should afford to kwenza ifriendly outside because kade sibingela imali okubhadala ama players ayila imali okubhadala coach but why asila ama sponsors sesithola isponsor ka coach sokufine dingani phela ama sponsors okunceda ezinye izinto Same applies to Chicken and Black Chiefs. If Black Chiefs look busy water kupela ama players. Abadlaliswe phela ama players akhona siyabona ukuthi kuyenzakala. Mina into enze ubuhlungu kakhulu more than anything else. I'm a Chicken fan. There's no doubt about that. But angifuni ukubona iIslanders idliwa ngenye team engaso Chicken. Angifuni ukubona iBlack Chiefs idliwa ngenye team engaso Chicken. Because ngizifuna kubulawayo. Ngifuna ukuthi week in yakhumbula even last time ngangihlala ngikhala sithi I pray ukuthi kube
we need more teams, yeah.
We need more teams. We need ukuthi khona nxa ngingaswela imali ukuthi ngiye away ngihambe le team yami ngibe lento yokubukela mi weekend. Lapho nasibukela kabo igame 1 ngeviki.
Igame 1 ngeviki.
Igame 1 ngeviki.
I think this season ikube ngcono.
Enganto umuntu echeche ukuthi uhamba kanye ngesonto echeche hayi madoda.
Wakhulu echeche kanjwa kambe ka4.
Eswama.
Yabona le cheche sichinji. Siyahamba ngolwesine abanye bahamba bo Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So lamaono no.
Amaono no everyday. Tina sibukeli ibhora ka1. Hayi singenzi.
Mina mbona it goes back to poor administration. Ikakhulu kwa-Islanders mina ngakhulumela at my side i-Islanders le poor administration ungeke sikhangelele khona ukuthi i-Islanders iyedlala out haya
maybe ngibaza improve because there's anisikhulumisa kusele 4 weeks league phela I'm sure iqasa mhla ka8
angeke mdala
mhla ka6 yabona ngiqasa mhla ka6
uyasazi slogan
ama team by now so mele beqaqa
uyasazi slogan lesa sithi sesebenza ngokukhona i-Islanders isebenza ngokukhona mdala kula improvement mdala.
But I'm hoping these teams will improve because like Ubucho said it Masud we need ama teams akobula abe competitive.
Sifuna abe competitive gidi thina ama supporters.
Yeah.
But those about administration mdala balele mdala. Ukuthi kumbe isilamba badala abakhulu kakhulu mdala balele abalanda abale football mdala.
Maybe it will improve.
Okwanini mdala khangela khathe sithi sikhangela le lokhu khela ama team afuna uimprove sehambile emazweni. Thina sihlule awuke asikhambanga emazweni. Khela ama friend yakhona sichama downfall. Ama friend yakhona ama preseason yakhona sihlala United.
The television.
Labo television mdala awula television ayisiyo into
yona
into ama relegate mdala even la koti 1 ngali.
Ku improve zona, ku improve lezi ya.
Ku improve labanonkayi. Yabanonkayi babe bejabulisa idlala yalena but wayilenda babe feel. Because mdala kule poor administration. Yiko sikutsho ukuthi hayi in terms of football as long kule administration lana ku Islanders asikhohlweni ngokuningi
but amanye
ama teams ungabona kusoleka kumbe sichawe PF asisasoli lutho sisoli administration mdala because mina vele at the first place ngayisoli administration ukuthi ifana lokuthi even ubaba mdala zanga kwenza ukuthi maye lobolisa isisu wami sibona umkhonyana namuhla thola nawo umkhonyana Tiki so lo munye le mali so hayi lo mkhonyana suke kuthiwo ni picture ethi ubaba sesithi ubaba vele ahamba chana baba
lo senongo wakhuluma ngakho khona ukukhuluma it was very bad lokho it was very bad
anansu umkhonyana manje
very bad umuntu umthembise umsayinise prior last year sign contract umuntu ethembele and the good thing when I heard the voice it was an interview kaSenongo lana he said is hoping and hopeful ukuthi kona iIslanders is going to honor termination process yabo ngendlela efanele than ukuthi sikhambisane ku FIFA
and ngabona siya ku FIFA to be bad
and the interview interview was kona one comment wathi kona I like your representation your faith and your commitment your kind your patience because ngomunye umuntu vele ojijonga
you know
yabona selo ngendlela oyenhle ngayo mdala hey imali ushaya
you know ngabe ku trick sesivala gents bemfuna sikhangele uBoyze yazi why ngichazwe iform kamfana lo uMaswanisa ngachazwa ngendlela uMarino zakhuluma ngayo ukuthi wayemfake ebenchini for scientific reason
anti wena lokuzeni lo machisi lapha lasiphikisa silo lokuzeni sikuthi iscience yani eboreni iscience nasiyazi esikolo thina iscience yani eboreni
uyazi ukukhayela umfana lwana gents on a serious note ungabona ku league nje eScotland
top goal scorer
it's not easy
uyi-regular mdala every day mdala.
It's not easy.
Usubuye eZimbabwe kuthiwa uhlala phansi.
Uhlala igame ele-tempo e-high kwedlule AFCON. Ulidlala day in day out. Akula science.
Iscience
singangena njani ebholeni?
Sifuze sibulale iAngola lisitshele ngescience.
Uyawazi why ngikhuluma ngomfana. uMarino usuhambe I think this is our last topic. uMarino usuhambe UK. Esiyakhuluma laba bafana laba anazi labo boys laba ababathanda ababakhayela angazi why knesta ama player amaningi I will always be against that thing. Jensi lokho okunye ukudlalisa imani. So uThefika ngale bebe sithi bakhuluma lo Trey. Trey wahle wathi aphisa amna topic lokubona
angikwazi.
Lokho kusala uTrey.
Kuthi lokubona vela gqaye. Kuyale lokumbona bra. Kodwa halo uthi ngubone Butchers avela ichaya. Zimbabwe things. But on a serious note, gents. Nje asila ama player uthi uMarino singabe imali phela imali le uthi ahambe eUK ekhuluma labo boys laba engabhode eFolosi enkayi mdala mina I tell you this. Yabona umfana njengombokazi la noParis lo. Umfana onavela emakhaya.
Mana singayikachana kunabo. uPeter Ndlovu, uMadinda, lo Bruce, lo kuzeni lo Adam ngabebhinga. Babonakala khona ngale bhinga.
Ngabebhinga.
Kulama schools competitions akhona next term. Kanti izifa yenze ukuthi kona ibhola selidlala throughout the year.
Oh yes, there's that issue. Lokuzeni. Wathi ngombuzo.
So nxa lidlala throughout the year ibhola. Abahambe khona ngale kuma grassroots. So those boys abadlala ngonyawo phansi. Bebona ukuthi right umfana lo udlala so ibhola. Akalibukele ku TV. Akalazi ukuthi udlala just ukuthi ucoachiwe ngocoach wakhe wadlala ibhola. Bebathathe besuke khona ngale. We see i-talent likhulunywa because e-town i-problem okwenza ukuthi abafana abaningi bengadlala ibhola ukuthi nxa usukupika esikole lapha kuye ngokuthi wena uyazana lobani ukupika nini lapha.
And
nxa ungalamuntu mina nxa nginje so ngabuya ngedwa masuthi uyingabazi angilidlali la nxa ngile-talent.
Yes.
That khona kana kuyasideprive because mina ngibonile ngesikhathi lami ngikhula. Mina at one point ngaze ngacina sengingkhipha because ngavuma ukudlala ibhola. But nginqathi ngangela bangani ngicina singene ngingkhipha kwazotshintsha sokusiya phakathi sendlala. Regardless ukuthi khona ngangcono kwedlula ababephakathi bakhona. So you have to understand ukuthi the team selection even ezikolweni nxa ukuthi khona amathisha akwanisa abayekeli ukuthi khona abantwana bezibhike bona bodwa abanika ibhola belijikela ibhola eground ubone abantwana bedlala ibhola then you pick from there.
Mina that's my point. Angazi Masudu ukuthi uyibona njani endlela le yokuthi betshona bebhoda nje eUK bedingana laba phela thola ukuthi kulomfana ongcono kulo Trey
ukudlala ezona
khatheso la
opportunity
opportunity.
Thina sakhulumela njenge-Debton asikhulumeni njengokuthi thina personal thina uyakwazi ma uthiwa kumbe kule tournament yana nje siyahamba sifike sihlale sibukele and you can identify talent.
Yes
yanje so bona bakwazi ama tournament akhona izolo nje endlula mboye etown kade kudlalwa lapha emakhokhoba lapha ama young stars kononka kokha njengocoach uyafika ngoba lizihlalele then you can identify recognize abafana ayi la mfana uyabulala then ukuthi uyele kubo Trey abakwazi ukuthi wena umfana lo wakumdlalisa for scientific usulanda yena uzamtshela for geography hayi angufiphi
wonke ku Trey
geography for geography abo yena umfana ezazi ukuthi mina nginswempa yabo. So you are wasting ama resources why list uchiya ama resources avele khona.
Exactly.
Uyabona umfana lokho okechikeni lokho okuyofaka ku first team antifast thoma ibizwe kulala silibalekile
all 15 do.
Yabona umfana lo Canaan that boy is very good
too much ngakubona ku Liana sasisonke independence
independence Chiefs lapha that boy is very good. He's got the confidence. I problem ekhona kuphela ukuthi I physique yakhe is because of ukudla eZimbabwe. You identify such kids abanjana eZimbabwe then you give them to a better fitting program ukuthi bedle ukudla okulama-GMO anganangcono ukuthi engane uyaphakama umzimba mpitshana then seli-maintain i-standard sakhe njenga khona okwenziwe emazweni
into lengayibona kunakamba la wayemncane but wathi
ese-Belgium afe wamnika ukudlanyana wabuya sengani sethi qwa so kuyancedisa konkana yikho kungena khona i-science lapha nxa usenza i-sport science yikho kungena khona i-science yakhona ukuthi hayi khona ukudlaliseni sumnike ukuthi la ama-genes akhe ama-hormones akhe ephangisa ngani ayakhula then sumlimita sumtrainer-ke you find good quality okwenze wangadlali phela umzimba wakhe omncane but ngawo lo mzimba ongathi uqwagile mbijana you see good football there is talent in Zimbabwe
blind
more talent than uPeter basuke ngaphi usiyazi behlasi upha khona ngathi
yazinto lengikhala kakhulu
ukuthi onakamba bona basuke ngaphi besiya khona ngathi
yazi
umsona basuke ngaphi
but I would like to on that note but uyazongikhumbuza enye into enzakeleyo bese ngikhohlwe enzakale over the weekend I think was it Wednesday or Thursday men's I think it was on a Wednesday, a Friday actually. Sponsor say Bank ABC angazi mbili sibonini. Ese Junior League.
Lekuzifa.
Lezifa imphatha that's a kunini isikhalile into enjengaliyana majuti. Asikhalile. I think that's a serious move. Kudos to Bank ABC because I think into lena bathi iyaqalisa regionally ithi yakasa zonal ithi regional ithi provincial iqini si national it's a good move for junior football needed that
vele the only problem yenze Zimbabwe sithwale nzima kade sungathiwa khona kulama under 13 national team sesiqasa ukuyadinga emaclubini we wapha lamloze nama under 30 we don't have but if singaba
because abantu kuyaba ngani kuba i-national league
singahlala sila i-junior football yani ukuthi khona they know ukuthi khona kuyilendazi kulobani kuchickenini kulobani kuyadynamos kulobani it becomes easy to select among that flock then selected from those people we can have a proper football team nihlezi ngikhuluma ngolowe weGermany ngesikhathi appoint uba national coach wakhetha abafana bakhe bonke 19 years was the highest wathi nikanini 4 years with these guys ngiyathathile ukuze ni World Cup 4 years down the line wayithatha World Cup because why groom abafana ayibabone from eqalisa
development kufuna i-structure
kufuna i-structure sokuthi
South Africa manje ungakhangelana nathi amajida laba bafana ba bale structure cause bafana basukela njengoba South Africa kunje so kule league ya televised ku TV yabona abafana babasukela khona pha then futhi enye into siyakubona sithi abafana bezibethuna bese labafana balapha bazama ukuba serious last kuthange bengikhuluma lo munye umfana wabhoda la wathowa umfana njena ngikutshela ngayo lwana umfana kamjoko wathowa at the end of the day i-talent level ikhona but angazi umbe basola ama managers abafana bona and now village akula into utrainer ngamfana mfuna ukuyazama nganga
uyazi kwenziwa kwini Masudu singaba le national league yama juniors you can easily because njengoba abantu abathanda ibhola abale passion yebhola lama coaches ama developmental coaches base siba involved so kusiba easy kade ukuthi si identify uthi okay then if we identify like ubutho was saying because we example umfana lo I think uthomba umfana umpume or something wechicken
ngiyacoach umchali Thomba umchali imbi sponsor
umfana lo wechicken menza ngcoje unjekele umfana lo wechicken lokuzini unga identify the next thing what you do usukwazi ukuthi okay sile 1 2 3 4 5 then you manage those boys it becomes easy it's unlike Kates because Kates akula league akulani it's just random man even umfana ngabulala akuna umuntu omkhangelayo like on a serious level maluchwana ama academy abe serious like kanje yabo Ajax for example ukuthi you can track umfana
awakhiwe
yes awakhiwe chicken you can track it to be easy ukuthi track umfana i-development yakhe ukuthi usukela wala once the Bank ABC majenzi lapha bachayela ihlombe lezifa it's a serious move for ibhola lethu leziba when I think we needed that
I think it's a serious move because nje first step ayenzile unqobile Magwisi kuya sign memorandum of understanding the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education for junior lokuzeni in football then the second stage now le sayenzile ukuthi source finding for that
sponsorship
because everything to work well, it needs funding, it needs support. So as the motherboard, the football motherboard has shown the commitment, and we say thank you to Peng APC for that 250,000. Ibukeka incane, but bakhiphe something.
It is it.
And that's commendable.
Amanye
stakeholders now, if they are willing, they can go and $100 because igenga last year kisitulu ngamathi i-teaspoon yayiqedile 50 kg eshukela. So those little things, little contribution, when they come in, we are aid or something, we get something, and at the end of the day, as much as I'm concerned, I see a little bit of transparency ku administration kaMagwisi. Each year nalana ezabanye ezasifuna ulutha kuphela because yonke into ayenza yakhe uyayipublish. Okunye awusizwa ukuthi okwenzakala lokho because ungapublishanga. So I believe ukuthi if nxa kunga implementwa ngendlela efaneleyo ibhora liqalisa ukudlalwa ngoJanuary up to December throughout the year ezikolo, and then creating ama academies amancane lana, it is going to help us to have a proper football nation.
And I saw this really problem let's get under 17.
That's what I was saying.
Yes.
You'll be already knowing what you're gonna endaweni nje kule under 17. Even like nxa ngadlalela team umntwana. Because and even it's an advantage as well kuma teams. Bengahamba besiya ezikole besiyabukela ama game amablogs nama games. Bayakwanisa ukuyathatha umntwana bemthole. But inkinga ukuthi asifuni kubhadala futhi abantwana bakhona. Asibathatheni abantwana labana sibadlala sibhola sibabhadala ama fees. Sibethula ama scholarships, sibamanage.
Masudi was saying ukuthi athi umfana nona Jay was serious talent. Umfana Mjogoro ungacheck angazi umbe ukhona YouTube. Ungacheck ungamdinga nje ama video. Umntaka Mjogoro Jay wayibulala umfana, but waswela, I think waswela management.
Wabhoda yonke Europe.
I think waswela management umfana lo. But singaba identify abafana banjalo, then be manage, it will become easy for our national team because sesilama feeder. So kusiba is it's always hard to uqeda show, but anyway, wona ngoJanuary Masudi yabulala washayela chief cornerstone ngatsala kalankani last week nje sesivala.
I'm 90. Ama viewers, let's continue subscribe. Whatever konke likusolayo asikufakeni ukuze kusisekele lathi kusiphathise usiyaphambili. And yesh loba nje ubuhlungu today sibuhlungu into yechikenini bulawayo, let us be serious, my team, let us be serious. Leko bula okwe chikenini sibuhlungu ngakho kakhulu this time.
Butho,
well, thank you for keeping on watching and supporting us. Keep on subscribing. Siyalithanda kakhulu. It's always pass and move. So just I think 4 weeks to be precise. Mhlaka 6 ziyabe zikhala. Mhlaka 15 let's go and support it. Jairus Chiri initiative Papa Field Stadium at 300 hours. So it's 1500 hours. You go kudlala kweni le Dynamos. It's $5 only. Badala lingathi kuyadura. It's for a good cause. It's for good cause.
It's for a good cause.
Asincede nini abantu bako Jairus Chiri sikhambeni sebukela ibhola sikholiseni. So I'm signing out.
In closing, Mina, I would like to read 2 comments from our viewers. Ndega Romeo ubebonga ukuthi thanks guys, means I think this one goes out to thanks for the better sound, gents. Sabona la xolisa, but this time let's keep it. Then ndega ekamgcini Mdlongo alo mbulele to uMasudu lobutho are always bottle right. Mgcini awubaza abantu okukhulu I think on that note, guys, continue subscribing. As Kuli said, family, share. We love you so much, guys. This we do this for the love of Zimbabwean football entirely. Not Ibulawa, it's Zimbabwean football entirely. Siyabonga kakhulu uxhaso, sibonga, let's keep on engaging. Yabona ama comments anje so asiqinisa man. Asiqinisa kakhulu. But le ekamgcini amgcini imoni ichile ngathi mgcini. Ochomba kona wothi they always put.
Siyabonga mgcini. Siyabonga. Thank you.
Until next time. Sharp.